Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Emilia Fitriani. I'm from Accounting Faculty of Economy, State University of Jakarta. Today, I would like to present my internship report on PTDJ Bintang Sinergi. Chapter 1. Background. Competition in cereal industrial sector is currently increasing significantly. There are around 8.2 million creative businesses in Indonesia which are dominated by culinary, fashion, and craft business. Besides, there are 4 subsectors with the fast growth which are movie, animation and video, performing art, and visual communication design. The excellence of the creative industry sectors is an opportunity for the next generation to have a great opportunity on becoming human resources who are capable of producing masterpieces and developing the creative economy sector in Indonesia. Through internship, it is expected to encourage students developing self-confidence and building self-confidence so that they can have values to enter the working state. So that by this chance, interns are interested in carrying out the internship program at PTDJ Bintang Sinergi, or known as the VIA Creative Hub brand, which is engaged in the media industry and talent management. Purpose. 1. Implementing the process of counting and taxation on PTDJ Bintang Sinergi. 2. Performing how to use e-factor for taxation in company. 3. Executing how transaction recording is done on accounting software used by the company. 4. Applying how to make invoices for every transactions in company. 5. Practicing how to reconcile receivables. Benefits. 1. Able to understand the process of counting and taxation at PTDJ Bintang Sinergi. 2. Able to apply e-factor to create input and upload VAT in and VAT out. 3. Able to practice how to use the Operan Bravo and Zahir counting which are used by companies. 4. Able to create invoices for internal customer. 5. Able to perform accounts receivable reconciliation. Internship location. Company name, PTDJ Bintang Sinergi. Address, The Convergent Indonesia Building 6 floor, Kawasan Rasuna Epicentrum, HR Rasuna Said Street, Karet Kuningan, Setiabudi, Jakarta. Process of activity. 1. Preparing PACE. Intern send CV and internship application letter, then get called to be interviewed. 2. Implementing PACE. Interns start their internship for 124 working days or 6 months from 4 July 2022 until 3 January 2023, which is held every Monday until Friday with working hours 9 a.m. until 6 p.m. and breaks at 12 p.m. until 1 p.m. 3. Reporting page. The making of this internship report starts from November to January. Chapter 2. Company Profile. PTDJ Bintang Sinergi, or known as VIA Creative Hub, is a company which runs as talent management and content media industry. VIA is new business unit of the FIFA Group, which is a company under the Bakri Group that handles the media business with Anindya Bakri as the main director. Under the Bakri Group, there are FIFA.co.id companies, TV1 and PT Intermedia Capital Tbk, which oversees Antv. FIFA Group has been involved in the media world since 1993 through Antv. But then it expands its business into the field of digital video content under the name DBS Entertainment, which has now changed its name to VIA with the tagline The Creative Hub. VIA, which is managed by Ahmad Zulfikar Syed as the Chief Executive Officer or CEO, was founded on November 24, 2007 and is currently 19 years old. Vision, mission, and corporate culture. Vision. To be to be one of the leading content companies in the media industry. Mission, providing quality and fair content for all media platforms by increasing the library, optimizing the team ability to create and innovate in the digital era, and collaborating with content creators and the community. Corporate culture. PTDG Bintang Sinergi World Culture is called Cinta, which stands for customer-oriented, innovation, target-oriented, and attitude. This is structure, organization, financial, and human capital officer division. General activities, content creator. PTDG Bintang Sinergi run as business in the field of content providing by developing intellectual property or PA and producing programs such as series, film, music, entertainment, sport, and local animation in free-to-air or PTA and non-PTA formats. 2. Content management and distribution. PTDG Bintang Sinergi conducts content distribution such as acquiring content. PT Telkom Indonesia acquires a program owned by PTDG Bintang Sinergi, namely the Kuku Rockyu cartoon series to be broadcast on the platform owned by PT Telkom Indonesia. Creative and digital community. PTDG Bintang Sinergi is also a company aged in telemanagement. One of their creative and digital communities is key opinion leaders or CORE and influencer. CORE and influencer have the task of influencing and providing reviews of product or recommendation to their followers so that the products can significantly increase and be more widely known. PT Optolomo Sejahtera or Scarlet Indonesia use the service of influencer owned by PT Digi Bintang Sinergi to promote its products. Chapter 3. Field of work. 1. Inputting and uploading the invoice of VAT in. 2. Making an invoice for PT Cakrawala Andalas Televisi or ANTV. 3. Making and uploading the invoice of VATO. 4. Making copies of invoices for companies' archive. 5. Reconciling account receivables. 6. Reconciling accrual receivable. 7. Preparing transaction files for auditing. Implementation of work. 1. Input and upload VAT in invoice. The tax and accounting subdivision has many tasks. One of them is to pay tax bills of purchasing goods and services, such as tax on talent payments, program payments, payment for filming equipment, payment for photocopy rental service, payment for cleaning service, and others. Inputs. Interns are given bundle of VAT in invoice by tax and accounting staff. The document consists of VAT in invoice and other documents, namely invoices. We are also given an Excel file to input VAT in invoice. Process. Here are the steps of inputting and uploading VAT in invoice. 1. Open eFaktur application. After that, input username and password. 2. When the menu appears, select the input text invoice menu, then select invoice administration. 3. Click record invoice on the bottom left, then fill in the text invoice number, NPWP, PKP, invoice date issues, tax period, and tax-based amount, then click Save. 4. When the text invoice has been input, then click Upload Invoice. After inputting and uploading text invoices in the eFaktur application, then input them in a Microsoft Excel file. Text invoices and other documents such as invoices are filled into the 2022 VAT recapitulation file. Output. After all text invoices has been input, the hard copy of VAT in interest into the owner and the input result in the Microsoft Excel file are submit to the supervisor to be compared with the VAT out recapitulation to see whether overpayments or underpayments occur. This is view of faktur pajak Masukan. 2. Making an invoice for Petra Cakrawala Andalas Televisi or Antv. Inputs. Intern ungiven accrual receivables reconciliation in the form of Microsoft Excel. After that, interns checks with transactions are available to be made on invoice if the supporting documents are complete, such as purchase statement or SK, attendance list, data on air, and budget approval. Process. After checking the supporting file that are complete, interns then create invoices using the Offran Bravo software system for several programs such as built-in suami pengganti, built-in terpaksa menikahi tuan muda, Trenya, Spiller, audisi koplo, mulai dari sini, Insoltalk, CFD, Antv Corner, School Fest, Big Time Honda, Quiz Kapsida Virtual, Quiz Management Virtual, and Persebaya Day. An invoice is created with the following steps. 1. Login to Open Bravo, then enter your company username and password. 2. After logging into the Open Bravo application, there are several menus, then select the plus sign or create a news. 3. Then fill in the business partner column, namely PT Cakrawala Andalas Televisi or Antv, then press Ctrl Alt plus S. 4. At the bottom, click Create One, then fill in the product column with accrual trade receivable. After that, fill in the net unit price according to the transaction nominal. In the next column, enter 11% VAT tax, then withdraw the accrued AR or GL number. According to the data contained in the reconciliation file, accrual receivables, and lastly enter a description of the transaction, then click compute, and the invoice has been complete. Output. The output of this process in print invoices in PDF or hard copy form. Invoices that have been printed will be checked by the supervisor staff of the accounting department. The invoice is checked whether it is correct or not. After receiving confirmation that the invoice is correct, then the invoice is ready to produce an output text invoice, and then it is submitted to the director to be signed. 3. Create and upload VAT out invoice. Inputs. Invoices that have been made by interns or advisor then are printed in hard copy form. Then the invoice is ready to produce a VAT out. Process. 1. Open application eFaktur. After that, input username and password. 2. When the main menu appears, select the output text invoice menu, then select invoice administration. 3. Click record invoice on the bottom left, then fill in the document date, text period, and make sure the invoice serial number is sequential from the previous invoice, then fill in the invoice reverse with the invoice number, then click continue. 4. Enter the NPWP or PKP against the transaction, then click continue. 5. Click record transaction, then enter the goods or service code. The fill in the name column with the description of the transaction contained in the invoice. Enter the price or amount. Make sure the nominal DPP and VAT are the same as the invoice, then click Save. 6. When the text invoice has been input, then click Upload Invoice. Output. The output of this process in the print output text invoice in the form of PDF or print in hard copy form. The output text invoice that has been printed will be used as the attachment to the invoice supporting documents which will later be sent to the customer. This is view of faktur pajak keluaran. 4. Make copies of invoices for company records. Input. Invoices that have been made for internal and external parts will be submitted to the director to be signed. Process. The invoice is then given legality by everything the stamp of the agency or company. After that, the invoice must first be photocopied to avoid losing documents. Output: the copy of the invoice entered into the ordner, and the original invoice is then recorded in the receipt book to be billed to the customer. And for external part, invoices will be sent directly by the messenger staff. 5. Reconciliation account receivable. According to Susanto Natasha Florencia Maria 2022, making reconciliation of account receivable at companies is important as a form of controlling to ensure compatibility between transactions that actually occurs and the flow of fund received. This is done to ensure that there are no unacknowledged sales or sales that have not been paid for. Inputs: intern takes only that from the OpenBravo software system in the trade receivable related parties and trade receivable third parties menu. The data is then exported to Microsoft Excel. Process: after the data is in Microsoft Excel, the data is sorted according to the company name and adding deviation column next to the credit column to make reconciliation easier. The nominal in a debit account with an ENF or invoice description in the amount billed by the customer will be nominal in a credit account with an AR or account receivable description in the amount that has been paid for. Interns met the AR document number, the payment for which invoice number is with the OpenBravo software system in the payment in menu. Output: if the deviation between the debit and credit account is zero, intern is responsible to mark a yellow highlight indicating that the receivable has been paid in full. This is view of reconciliation trade receivable related parties and reconciliation trade receivable third parties. 6. Reconciliation accrual receivable. The received income is the income from service that have been performed by the company for the benefit of other parties. The amount that must be received is the right of the company, but the company has not yet received it. When there is an agreement letter for a program, the accounting team recognizes it is accrual receivable. Inputs: intern takes monthly that from the OpenBravo software system in the accrual receivable menu. The data is then exported to Microsoft Excel. Process: after the data is in Microsoft Excel, the data is tidied up by adding the deviation column next to the credit column. The nominal in a debit account with a GL or general ledger description is transaction that is still in the form of account receivable and an invoice has not been issued, while the nominal in a credit account with an ENF or invoice description is a transaction for which an invoice has been made or an account that has been recognized as receivable. Practice matching the GL document number with the ENF whether the GL number has been invoiced. This matching is done using the OpenBravo software system in the sales invoice menu and the help of supporting files such as the 2019 and 2022 invoice recapitulation. Output: if the deviation between the debit and credit account is zero, the practitioner is responsible to mark a yellow highlight indicating that the GL account has been billed or an invoice has been created. 7. Preparing transaction files from auditing. Inputs: the auditor submits data regarding document needed by attaching the transaction number, date, and description of the transaction to the accounting department staff. Process: interns help the staff of the accounting department to find transaction reports that are synchronization with the auditor's request. After the transaction report is found, the transaction report must first be photocopied to avoid losing document. Output. After that, intern makes a receipt to record the name, date of the borrow, and what report was borrowed. Then these fields are submitted to the auditor by attaching proof of receipt to be signed. Obstacles faced. 1. Interns are not used to using the Operan Brava software application, which they have never learned before, so they often ask supervisors about it. 2. Lack of understanding in using a factor application to create and input text invoices. 3. Interns find it difficult to reconcile accrual receivables because there are different in transaction description on invoice accounts and general ledger accounts. How to overcome obstacles. 1. Intern learn the Operan Brava software system used by the company. If there are problems when operating the system, the practitioner will ask for advice and guidance from the supervisor. In addition, the practitioner also record how to work and practice it under the control of the supervisor so that the work can be complete without any errors. 2. When interns in inputting, creating, or uploading text invoices, we do it carefully, and if there is anything confusing, we immediately ask the field supervisor. 3. Intern asks the supervisor about the difference in the description of the transaction. Then the supervisor provides an additional file, namely actual receivable recapitulation that was made by the previous counting step. Then we are given a clue to focus on the name of the program and the transaction nominal. Knowledge and skills gap. While studying in college, intern only studies text theory in the form of text definition, text characteristic, text function, and text rates such as income tax rates and value-added tax rates along with their calculation. While at the PTDG Bintang Sinergi, we learn the use of the e-factor electronic system application which is used to create, input, and upload VAT in invoice and VAT out invoice. Apart to that, we must understand and use the Operan Brava system which we have never learned before to complete tasks such as creating invoices and pulling receivable and accrual receivable data for reconciliation. Practical contribution. A. Getting additional workers so that the work in the company can be helped to complete. B. As the medium to provide labor criteria needed by related companies. C. Helping to complete several tasks such as the process of making, inputting, and uploading input and output text invoices. The input text invoice provided by the accounting staff is then input into the e-factor intern and recapitulate it in an Excel file. We also contribute to making invoices for internal parties, namely PT Cakrawala, Andalas Televisi, or Antv. After creating an invoice, we create an output text invoice using e-factor. In addition, we also complete several other tasks such as reconciling accrual receivable, reconciling receivables, making copies of documents, and preparing the file needed for the audit process. Chapter 4. Conclusion. Gaining knowledge about company tax activities such as making VAT out invoice and inputting VAT in invoice using e-factor application. The lesson learning from this work is that intern is able to recognize and operate the e-factor application, which is a legal system by the Directorate General of Taxes. 2. Learning knowledge of working in accounting such as making invoices using the Operan Brava software system owned by the company for billing several event program to customer. 3. Getting knowledge about the evaluation and action taken by the tax and counting team if there is a problem. 4. This internship provides an opportunity for us to practice the process of reconciling account receivable and accrual receivable. 5. Obtaining knowledge and application of theory that we get from college, especially taxation course. Apart from that, through internship, we are also able to sharpen our soft skills such as how to communicate, adapt, solve problems, and others. Suggestion. For the Faculty of Economics, especially the Accounting Study Program. A. Providing lecture material is not just theory but also mastering software or other electronic application because there is a difference between student ability from learning in college and the actual ability needed at working stage. B. Providing recommend data recording companies that work together between the faculty and the company in internship earlier before its schedule halt. C. Providing socialization of goods to students who will carry out internship before it begins so that students understand the flow and process of internship from the beginning to end. For company or institution or internship place. 1. PT Digi Bintang Sinergi can collaborate with university in Indonesia to provide opportunities for students who want to gain experience at PT Digi Bintang Sinergi and later become employee candidates for the company. B. Supporting students who will make internship report by providing the accessibility information needed by these students. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.